Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and attempt this beautiful Paclock 90A Pro that was sent to me by 44 Delta. He was cool enough to go ahead and etch my logo on the front of that one. Super cool of him. And you know what, since I've picked so many of these before and you know, I've got so much faith in my skills, I'm going to go ahead and stretch my fingers out here, and then we're going to add a couple of sticks of dynamite. I'm going to give myself a good, I don't know, 30 seconds to pick this lock. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have tensioned it first. Okay, still got 20 seconds. We're good. We're good. Here we go. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Maybe I should have got a rake. Okay. All right.